Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share projects in Google Flow step by step. Sharing your projects makes it easy to collaborate with teammates, clients, or friends so everyone can view or edit the same work in one place. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Flow. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a list of your existing projects. Next, click on the project you want to share. Wait for the project to open completely. After that, look for the Share button, which is usually located in the upper right corner of the project page. Click the Share button to open the sharing settings. Here, you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. You can also choose their permission level, such as viewer if they only need to see the project, or editor if they need to make changes. If Google Flow supports link sharing for your project, you can also create a shareable link. Simply adjust the link permissions, copy the link, and send it through email, chat, or any messaging platform. Before sending the invitation, double-check the permission settings to make sure you're giving the right level of access. Then click Send or Copy Link, depending on the sharing method you've chosen. If someone can't access the project, verify that you've entered the correct email address or that the sharing permissions allow them to view or edit the project. You can always return to the Share menu later to update or remove access whenever needed. And that's how to share projects in Google Flow in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future Google Flow guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.